What's up, good people? It's your boy, Brandon, a.k.a. the Bearded Scientist, a.k.a. the Martha Stewart of Science, a.k.a. the Science Guy, coming to you live from the lab. Yo, I'm really in the kitchen cooking up something. I'm finishing up construction on my lab. You know, look, I'm buying randoms. I got a pipe better. You don't know what this is, but it's okay. It's a pipe better. Yeet. I'm about to do some dope stuff with that here in the near future, so stay tuned. I got my setup looking real nice. You know, I got my random water jugs and stuff in here, so you never know what we're gonna be whipping it up for real. So I need y'all to stay tuned, because what I got planned for this right here, go ahead and look at it one more time. What I got planned for this right here is gonna be amazing. I got some real cool stuff coming down the pipeline, like this stuff right here. The activity I'm gonna do with this is guaranteed to be a showstopper, so y'all need to just really take time to tune in when we get this going. It's gonna be something real special. You know, I got some little fluorescent dye right here. Y'all don't worry about my hands. My hands rough because I work with my hands. You know, so don't worry about it. Don't worry about this right here. That's gonna be pretty fire. So just when you get time, when you get ready, just don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We gonna get it there. We gonna There we go. There we go. We're going to get it in there. It ain't going to do right, but it's all good. We're going to get it all tightened up real nice and neat when we get ready to roll all these activities out. Please stay tuned. I'm really excited because what I'm about to get ready to crank out in the lab, y'all going to be like, this dude right here is bananas. You know, it's going to be some really cool stuff, and I'm really excited about it. So stay tuned. Under this video, this is what I need y'all to do, okay? I need y'all to drop some of the cool things y'all want me to explore. You know, I got some really cool stuff that I'm going to show you all. Because right now, say for instance, you can go to Lowe's and Home Depot and get citronella plants. I'm going to show you how to extract citronella from the plant and make your own citronella candles, citronella lotion, because I'm from Arkansas and those mosquitoes are real. So stay tuned for that. Anything y'all want me to discover or dive into, feel free, leave your comments below. I'm really excited to dive into it. My studio is almost finished. This is just a glimpse of what we got going on. So let me know. Again, it's your boy Brandon, a.k.a. the Bearded Scientist, coming live from the lab. You know, hashtag Cease to STEM, science with a twist, all yada, yada, yada. So stay tuned. Let your boy know the Science Guy is out.